September 14 was the last day of the free surge testing for COVID-19 in Honolulu, Hawaii, in partnership with state and federal partners. 60,274 people were tested during a 14-day period. As of Sunday, 266 results came back positive. This is a 0.6% positivity rate welcomed by the local government.
We just want to know where that virus is, and we know that the spread, while it is in different parts of our community, is not spread evenly throughout our entire community.
The tests are free and done by a self-administered nasal swab under the supervision of trained medical volunteers. The federal government has offered Oahu 90,000 tests due to surging COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, Mayor Caldwell also revealed that his government is beefing up its contracts with 7 testing centers, as well as modifying those deals to include contract tracing.
So we really want to amplify what our community health centers are doing today and give them more tools to focus on the spiking cases in certain communities, like we talked about the Pacific Islander community, the Filipino-American community. These community health centers are in these communities, and I think they can do a better job of finding where the virus is.
Judith Anafuente, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.